Now let's see how to write this given figure into a number form. Okay, let's see how to write this given figure in the number form. So first what we will do, how we'll count? Do we write the candles? How we count and write the candles here? No. How many sets are given? We'll write in the first box. So 1 set, 2 set, 3 sets. So how many sets are there? 3 sets. So write 3 in the first box and the number of candles in the second box. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are adding 3 times 4 candles we are adding. 4 candles we are adding 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. How many times we are adding? 3 times we are adding. How many candles we are adding? 4. 4, same number. So second box we will write the same number, how many times it is repeating. First box we will write how many times it is added. So first box is 1, 2, 3 sets of candles. Next is number of candles 1, 2, 3, 4. Second box 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the same number we will write. Okay. Now we will count the total number of candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? This is also 12. When we count all the number of candles, it is also 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 4s are is 12. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in each set. So each set you will write here. 4 is 12. Understood, children? So first is the number of sets you will write here, or the number of boxes if they have given, you will write the first number. Second number, if you count how many are there in the first box, that is enough. Item in the box you should write here. Then next 12 is the total number what is given there, we will write the answer. Understood?